Charles James Lumpkin, Jr. Lumpkin is wanted by the Franklin Police Department for especially aggravated kidnapping and domestic assault. There is no known direction of travel. If you have seen Ozzy or Charles Lumpkin or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Franklin Police Department at 615-550-6840 or the TBI at 1-800-TBI-FI North D. Franklin Police Department at 615-550-6840 or the TBI at 1-800-TBI